Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find filters on Instagram. First of all, and of course, you'll need Instagram application on your phone. If you don't have that, just go and download it through Play Store if you have an Android or App Store if you have an iPhone. Then, all you need to do, just go and sign in to create your account. If you do have an account, all you need to do, just log in and let's get straight to Instagram. So we want to find filters on Instagram. How can we do that? All I need to do, just go and open your camera. Let's say, for example, your story. Or maybe just swap left or whatever you want to do. So after that, all you need to do, just go and then go here and search for, a story. As you can see here, we have several filters here, but let's say, for example, I want to search for another effect or another filter. All I need to do, just scroll down through all these filters here from left to right until I found this browse effect. Just click on that. Then after that, go and look for the filter that you want to use. So just keep here scrolling down until you find the filter that you like. So let's say, for example, you want to use this filter. It's called stretch. So just click on that. Then all you need to do, just if you want to save it, of course, you can save it to your camera so you can easily use it whenever you want. But if you don't want to do that, just go and click at try it. So here, as we said, all you need to do, just go and click on try it here. Then it will open your front camera. Of course, I'm hiding my camera here. Then all you need to do, just to choose the settings of the filter that you want, do whatever you want with this filter, and that will be it. You can just record your story and you will be all done. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.